வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே. Hi friends. So in today's video we'll be dealing with fundamentals of advanced science. We have previously discussed about many questions that comes under fundamentals of advanced science, which is also applicable for paper 1 and paper 1 of UGC NET. We'll be continuing in this regard today. So in Earth there are three major spheres. Okay, three major spheres. These things are basic stuff. Many of you will be knowing it. We will start with the basics today. The three spheres of Earth are atmosphere, which concerns with air, hydrosphere, which is the water part, and lithosphere, which is the land part. Atmosphere, we have previously discussed about the spheres of atmosphere. Okay, which is lowermost layer is troposphere, above that it is stratosphere, above that it is mesosphere, above that the uppermost layer, which is ionosphere or thermosphere. Okay, and when we come to land, we have 7 continents. Okay, we have 7 continents, which are the Australia, which is the smallest continent and the only continent country in the world. Asia, which is the largest continent in the world. Okay, Africa, which is the second largest continent in the world with the most number of countries in the world. Okay, and the third another continent is North America. North America is a different continent. Okay, North America, and the another one is South America. Okay, so how many continents have we discussed now? Sorry, one more continent is there, Europe. Okay, so these are the continents. These are the 6 continents. Some studies will tell you, or some papers will tell you, or some sources will tell you there are 7 continents. Okay, so which are they? Australia, Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America. Okay, but another continent is there. It is called as some papers call it as Oceania also, including that Oceania, Antarctica comes under Oceania. So this is concerning with lithosphere. Okay, hydrosphere, which are the part of the world where water is found. It is called as hydrosphere. Among hydrosphere, all the oceans of the world comes under hydrosphere. And how many oceans are there? Hydrosphere relates not only to oceans, it relates to freshwater ecosystems also. Okay, freshwater ecosystems also, like river, pond, lake, which are not salty, it is called as freshwater ecosystems or aquatic ecosystems. Okay, and saltwater ecosystems like oceans, seas, they are called as marine ecosystems or marine ecosystems or marine areas. Okay, so coming to oceans, which are the which forms the bulk of the hydrosphere. About 97% of Earth's hydrosphere is formed by oceans. So which are the major oceans? Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay, so which are the oceans that we have discussed? Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay, these are the major oceans, and some sources will tell you Atlantic Ocean is divided into 2 parts: South Atlantic Ocean and North Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so these are the oceans. I think that these are the 5 major oceans I have discussed here. If anything more is there, I will refer and tell you. Okay, then when hydrosphere is covered now, lithosphere is covered now, atmosphere is covered now. one another biosphere is there, one another sphere is there. Okay, these are the three physical spheres, these are the three material spheres. Okay, one another sphere is there, the fourth sphere, it is called as biosphere. What is biosphere? Biosphere is the area of earth where hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere join together, or they interact with each other to bring life into existence. This sphere is called as biosphere. Bio means life, sphere means part. So this part is called as biosphere. So we human beings, you, me, we are all part of biosphere. Okay, we are all part of biosphere. In biosphere, there are two main components: the living part, which is called as biotic components, and the non-living part, which is called as abiotic components. And the study of interactions between these biotic components and abiotic components is called as ecology. In other terms, the study of interactions between the living world and the non-living world, or the interactions between the non-living part of the world and living part of the world, is called as ecology. Okay, so these are the basic definitions regarding the spheres of the earth, which comes under the fundamentals of environmental science paper 1. This part is also important for paper 1 environmental studies part and paper 2 environmental science part. Okay, and some other sources will tell you about the concept of asthenosphere. What is asthenosphere? Asthenosphere is actually related to the theory of tectonic plates. There is a theory called as tectonic plate theory. According to this theory, the land surface area of our earth, including these 7 continents, they float over an area of molten rock, a molten layer. This molten layer upon which the land mass of the earth floats is called as asthenosphere. Okay, this part is called as, this sphere is called as asthenosphere. ASTHENOSPHERE, asthenosphere. So the 7 continents float over this molten layer called as asthenosphere. We will go into detail about tectonics later. Okay, so just keep this in mind. And another concept regarding atmosphere is, atmosphere can already be differentiated. We have already differentiated atmosphere based on 4 layers. Besides this, there is another differentiation of atmosphere. It is called as homosphere and heterosphere. So what is homosphere and heterosphere? This is an in-depth concept, and it was asked in 2019 UGC paper, UGC environmental science paper. It can also be asked in the paper 1 also, environmental studies part. What is homosphere and what is heterosphere? Homosphere is that part layer of Earth's atmosphere where only ions exist. Ions. Where only ions exist. And heterosphere is that part of the earth where ions and gaseous particles exist. Sorry, homosphere is that part of the earth where only ions exist, and heterosphere is that part of the earth where ions as well as gases exist. What are ions? Ions are gaseous particles, or ions are ions are part of compounds. When they break up, they exist as ions when the heat is too much. Okay, we'll deal with ionic, this part of ions, radicals and all in unit of environmental chemistry. Okay, so for the time being, Just keep these things in mind. What is ionosphere? What is homosphere? What is heterosphere? Okay, and the other spheres. So this is related to atmosphere, and the three layers of Earth is atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and the part where all this joined together to form life is called as biosphere. Okay, another aspect about lithosphere is that lithosphere has the lowermost layer of lithosphere is the core, which is at the center of the earth. So imagine this as the earth, and the center spherical part is called as core, and above that it is called as mantle, and above that it is called as crust, and it is upon crust that we are living. Okay, so these are the basics. So keep all this in mind. We will deal with the rest of the topics in the next video with our board. Okay, so if you have any doubts, use the comment section, use the Quora space. If you like the video, like it. If you think that this video is of any use, share it. If you think if you are working for UGC Net, then subscribe to this channel, or if you enable the bell button if you want. Thank you. See you.